Nice One. Premiered 2020 Genres TV. Game show comedy More Nice One, 46 of 56. The best game shows to play along at home, 40 of 53. The best current TV shows the whole family can enjoy, 97 of 119. The funniest TV shows in 2020. Saved by the Bell. Premiered 2020 Genres TV. Comedy More Saved by the Bell, 286 of 308. The greatest sitcoms in television history, 40 of 74. The best TV reboots and revivals, 83, 327. The best 2020 original streaming platform shows. Gilmore Girls, A Year in the Life. Genres TV, comedy, drama More Gilmore Girls, A Year in the Life, 38 of 45. The best current shows that deal with millennial stuff, 394 of 640. The best TV shows to binge watch, 24 of 37. What TV shows best represent American life today? Dancing with the Stars. Premiered 2005 Genres TV. Sports film, reality television More Dancing with the Stars, 139 of 421. The best reality TV shows ever, 6 of 27. The reality shows you would most want to win, 19 of 61. The most boring sports to watch. RuPaul's Drag Race. Premiered 2009 Genres TV. Reality television More RuPaul's Drag Race. The 15 most controversial eliminations from RuPaul's Drag Race. All winners of RuPaul's Drag Race. Ranked 1 of 45. The best current reality shows that make you a better person. Blackish. Premiered 2014 Genres TV. Sitcom More Blackish, ranking the best seasons of Blackish, 74 of 129. The best shows currently on the air, 1 of 26. The best current shows that deal with race relations. Chopped. Premiered 2009 Genres TV. Game show, food, cooking show, reality television More. Chopped, 12 things you didn't know about competing on Chopped, 9 of 116. The best reality competition series, 297 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years. Queer Eye. Premiered 2018 Genres TV. Reality More. The best members of the Queer Eye Fab, 59 of 54. The best new TV shows with gay characters of the last few years, 48 of 106. The best rainy day shows to watch when you're bored and stuck inside. The View. Premiered 1997 Genres TV. Talk show More. The View, 8 of 30. The best daytime TV shows airing now, 43 of 277. The most overrated TV shows of all time, 155 of 165. TV shows most loved by African Americans. Crown. Premiered 2016 Genres TV. Historical drama More. The Crown Princess Alice of Battenberg's real life was even more dramatic than what you saw on The Crown. Details about Princess Diana's alleged affairs that The Crown brought to light, 17 of 54. The best drama TV shows airing now. Nailed It. Premiered 2018 Genres TV. Reality competition Food More. Nailed It. The best episodes of Nailed It, 26 of 60. The most watchable cooking competition shows, 13 of 31. The best competitive reality series on Netflix to watch now. call the Midwife. Premiered 2012 genres TV drama more called The Midwife. 78 of 220 the greatest TV shows for women. 9 of 29 20-plus recent British TV shows you've been missing this whole time. 233 of 389 TV shows that only smart people appreciate. RuPaul's Secret Celebrity Drag Race. Premiered 2020 genres TV reality makeover. Miss Fisher's Murder Mysteries. Premiered 2012 genres TV crime fiction, drama mystery, costume drama more. 283 of 538 TV shows canceled before their time. 101 of 160 the best TV shows based on books. 77 of 105 the best historical drama TV shows. One day at a time. Premiered 2017 genres TV. House Hunters. Premiered 1999 genres TV reality television. Agatha Raisin. Premiered 2016 genres TV comedy drama. Grace and Frankie. Premiered 2015 genres TV comedy. The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. Premiered 2017 genres TV comedy drama period drama more the best characters on The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. 9 of 677 the best original streaming shows of the last few years. 6 of 73 the best current TV shows for women. Ranked. The Goldbergs. Premiered 2013 genres TV television comedy more The Goldbergs, ranking the best seasons of The Goldbergs. 67 of 138 the best high school TV shows. 116 of 448 the funniest TV shows of all time. Mall. Premiered 2013 genres TV television comedy sitcom more Mom. 37 of 38 all the TV shows ending in 2021. Ranked 8 of 32 the best TV sitcoms airing now. 69 of 283 the best female-led TV shows. Stranger Things. Premiered 2016 genres TV sci-fi, horror, supernatural, period drama more. Stranger Things. Who would be in Stranger Things if it were cast in the 80s? Wholesome Stranger Things moments that turned our hearts upside down. 1 of 75 sci-fi shows you should be watching now. The Great British Bake Off. Premiered 2010 genres TV special interest, game show, cooking show, home improvement more. The Great British Bake Off. 25 reactions to the new season of The Great British Baking Show that are worthy of Star Baker. 8 of 28 current TV shows that basic bitches love. 11 of 85 reality shows that involve actual skill. Grey's Anatomy. Premiered 2005 genres TV soap opera comedy medical drama more. Grey's Anatomy. The best Grey's Anatomy seasons. 48 of 96 the best drained TV series. 91 of 264 the best TV shows returning in 2021. This Is Us. Premiered 2016 genres TV comedy family drama more. This is us, the best characters on This Is Us. Ranked 22 of 166. The best TV shows returning in 2020, 119 of 399. The greatest TV dramas of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.